The Content tab in YouTube Studio helps you understand your content's policy restrictions and earnings. Let's walk through how to use this information to track and manage your content. First, the Notices column. All policy and monetization alerts are consolidated into the Notices column. Here, you'll see a three-tiered severity system to help you prioritize what needs your attention first. A red X icon indicates a complete limitation, like a video being blocked or totally ineligible to earn. An exclamation icon indicates a partial limitation, such as limited ad earnings or an age restriction. A gray eye icon represents an informational notice that doesn't currently affect your reach or earnings, like a copyright claim that allows for revenue sharing. If your Notices column is empty, that means your video has no current limitations. To address a notice, simply hover over the alert in the Notices column to see a card explaining the cause of the limitation and how it affects your video's reach, feature access, and earning ability. If there's action you can take, you'll see a View Details button on the hover card. Next, the Estimated Revenue column shows you exactly how much each video is earning across all revenue streams, including ads, YouTube Premium, and YouTube Shopping. Note that it typically takes about 2 days for revenue data to process. If you see a clock icon, it means the numbers are still being finalized. The Visibility column shows the settings you've chosen, like public, private, or members only. If a YouTube policy decision overrides your setting, your visibility status will appear grayed out. You can hover over the notice in the column to see why. In the YouTube Studio app, in the Content Hub, you can also see your notices and earnings. For more info on understanding your content's restrictions and earnings, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.